Okay, welcome. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. Ebe a anyị na-amụ ka esi asụ ma na-ede asụsụ Igbo. You are welcome. So do well to tell me where you are watching me from. It's good evening, it's good night, it's good morning, it's good afternoon, depending on where you are watching me from right now. Just tell me where you are watching me from. Then as we proceed for today's topic. Good evening. Hmm. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to have you. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. So kindly tell me where you are watching me from. Um, as we proceed in discussing today's topic, you can as well let me know if there's anything you are finding difficult in Igbo language. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to have you here. Thanks for joining. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. No. Ganiri Igbo, ma ọ bụrụ na o nwere ebe ị na-find difficult in Igbo language, just let me know. Is there anything you're finding difficult? Is it the Igbo alphabet? Is it how to make sentence with Igbo? Is it how to anything at all that you are finding difficult in Igbo language? Do well to let me know. Go ahead and tell me where you are watching me from. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on your location at the moment, and good to have you. Okay. Hello, you're welcome. Thanks for joining. Anyasi Oma. Anyasi Oma. Anyasi Oma. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let me know your location. Where are you watching me from? Anything you don't know how to go about it in Igbo language, you can bring it up here. Let's treat it together. Is it the Igbo alphabet? Is it to make words with some of the alphabets? Just let me know. Is there any particular word that you don't know how to pronounce? We have be, we have we, we have le, we have me, we have ne, we have ngwe. So let me know that particular one that you're finding difficult to make use of. Make a malo. Anyasi Oma. Anyasi Oma. No. Go ahead and tell me where you're watching me from. Good to have you here. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. Good to have you, good to have you, good to have you, good to have you. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, good night, depending on location. Just let me know where you're watching me from. Anyasi Oma. Good to have you. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. How well do you know Igbo language? Let me know in the comment section. How well do you know Igbo language? Let me know in the comment section. How well do you know Igbo language? Do you know how to speak it? Do you understand it when somebody engage you in a conversation with it? Just let me know. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to have you. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from. How many of us here know how to read the ABCD Igbo? If you know how to read the ABCD Igbo, let me know in the comment section. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, Y, G, H, I, J, K, P, Q, L, M, N, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Let me know if you know how to do this. Okay. Let me know if you know how to go about it. The ABCD Igbo. Let me know if you know how to go about it. Let me know where you're watching from. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. A, B, C, D, E. F, G, B, Y, G. H, I, J, K. P, Q, L, M, N. N, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, we have ni and a is na, and na, ni a, na, that is and in English, na, ni a, n-a, na, ni a, na. And we want to say something like I and Nkechi, I and Abigail, I and Abigail. That is mo na Abigail, mo na Abigail. I and Abigail, mo na Abigail. That is ne a na, n a na. That is and. Do what to let me know where you're watching me from. Good to have you here. You're welcome. You're welcome. Anyasi Oma. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on where you're watching me from. Do well to let me know where you are watching me from currently. Do what to let me know where you're watching me from currently now. So today we are going to look into that particular thing you are finding difficult to understand in Igbo language? So is it the alphabet? Is it to make sentence with it? Is it how to read and understand? Um, Anything at all, bring it here. Let's discuss about it. I'm still Digital Maze. This is Learn Igbo. So I was saying that ne a ne a, that is N A is na, and that is and in English language. Then I made reference of I and Abigail. I and Abigail. I and Abigail. That is Mo na Abigail. Mo na Abigail. Mo na Abigail. So N-A na is what? And. And. Then which other one should we look into? Let me know. Let me know that particular one you want us to talk about right now. Let's discuss it. And do it to let me know where you're watching me from. This is Learn Igbo. Good to have you. Good evening. Good morning. Depending on where you're watching me from right now. Do it to tell me your location. Where are you watching me from? Good to have you. You're welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. Let me know where you're watching me from. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, W, W, Y, U, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Then you can actually sing with it. Then that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, W, W, Y, O, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Let me know how best you want it. So, good to have you. Welcome, 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 welcome. Do it to tell me where you're watching me from. And don't forget to please hit the subscribe button. Please, 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 please. Good to have you here. Good to have you. Thanks for joining. 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 This is Learn Igbo. Let me know where you're watching me from. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let me know where you're watching me from. Anyasi Oma. Anyasi Oma. That is good evening. Good evening. Anyasi Oma. Good evening. No. Welcome. No. No. Anyasi Oma. Good evening. No. You are welcome. No. No. Tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me where you're watching me from, and do what to let us know if there is anything you are finding difficult in Igbo language. We are here to help. I am here to help. Excuse me. Tell me where you're watching me from. Good to have you. You're welcome. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. This is Learn Igbo. Learn Igbo language. Igbo language. Igbo language. Oh my. Where are you watching me from? Welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Good to have you. You're welcome. Good to have you. Let me know where you're watching me from. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. I'll be right back. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. This is Learn Igbo with Digital Mazi. You're welcome, welcome, welcome. Good to have you. No, Anyasi Oma. Anyasi Oma, good to have you. Do what to let me know where you're watching from. And as well, drop if there's anything you're finding difficult in Igbo language. Let me know so that we can discuss it here. Is it the alphabet? Is it how to pronounce any of the alphabet? Let me know so that we can discuss it. Let's discuss it here. Hi, Jemima. I hope I got that right. Good to have you, Jemima. Where are you watching us from? Where are you watching me from? Let me know. Hello. Good to have you. Jemima, right? I think, yeah, that's the right way to. Oh, Ketia. Oh, good to have you. Oh, good to have you. Good to have you, Ketia. You're welcome. You're welcome. I hope you are grabbing. I hope you are doing well in Igbo language. Tell me how far. How has it been? Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you, Ketia from United States. I'm glad to see you too. Seriously, I'm very, very happy to see you too. Yeah. So tell me, Ketia, um, how has it been? Is there anything that you're finding difficult to, um, maybe the alphabet, maybe one particular word that you would like to know the meaning, and do it to let me know. Good to have you. Good to have you. Good to have you. So do it to let us know where you're watching from. Let us know where you're watching from and anything you're finding difficult to. Maybe let me know. Yeah, sure. I'm glad to hear that. Igbo has been good. That's good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm really, really, really glad to hear that. You're welcome, Ketia. Welcome. So, like I was saying earlier, there are many ways you can actually read the ABCD Igbo. We have the singing part of it, and we have the normal way that we can normally read it. So we are going to start from the normal way, then we go ahead to how to maybe do a remix with it. Okay, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, W, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, W, N, O, P, R, C, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Z. Sometimes you'll find difficult to maybe identify the particular one that is U and the one that is O. Just the difference is U, there is no full stop at the bottom under the U. There's no full stop under the U. Then why the O have full stop under the U? Okay, Katia, okay, what's the question? Does iri abo na ano? Yeah, sure. Iri abụọ na anọ, yeah. Iri abụọ na anọ, 24. 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 Iri abụọ na anọ, 20. Katia, you're doing awesomely well. That's so nice. Iri abụọ na anọ. But the abụọ there, that's not how to write it. The above that you have there, what I'm seeing there is kind of about. So it's supposed to be A B U O. A B U, that is A B O O. Abo. A B O O. Abo. A B O O. Abo. Okay? Yeah, iri abụọ na anọ, 24. Iri abụọ na anọ, 24. Yeah, Igbo is so beautiful. Good to hear that. Katia, welcome. That is it. Area born and not 24. You know, when we were in primary school, that's how we normally read it. Area born and not 24. Area born is 25. Area born is 26. Area born is 27. Area born is 28. Area born. Oh my. Oh my. Hi, Jane. Hello. Iri atọ is 13. Iri atọ is 13. Hello, Jane. Yeah, iri atọ, yeah, that is it, 30, sorry. Iri atọ na atọ, 33, yeah, iri atọ na atọ, 33. iri atọ na atọ 33, iri atọ na anọ 34, iri atọ na ise 35, iri atọ na isii 36, iri atọ na asaa 37. Jen, good to have you. Where are you watching us from? Ibi n'obodo Lagos. Jen, good to have you. Okay. I see. Jen, Ibi n'obodo Lagos. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay, Jen. Ibi n'obodo Lagos. Jen, make me understand, please, because make me understand. Are you trying to tell me that you live in Lagos? Make me understand. Let me see how to correct what you just said now. Yeah, Jen, I'm talking to you. Hi, Jen. Are you still there? So, Ketia, what else? What else are we looking into? Hi. Hi. Sorry, please. Good to have you. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'm glad you are here. Good to have you. Let me know where you're watching me from. Kaon. Please let me know where you're watching me from. Good to have you. Good to have you, P. Good to have you. Yeah, gee anyị ntị. Listen to us. Anyị is a collective noun. Anyị is a collective noun. Listen to us. Gee anyị ntị. Listen to us. Us, anyị, us. Gee anyị ntị. Listen to us. It's not them. Neither is it there. Because you are involved. Anyị. Katie, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Anyị. Gee anyị ntị. When you want to talk about them, you say, gee ha ntị. Good. Yeah. Gee ha ntị. Listen to them. Gee ha ntị. Listen to them. Yeah, that's the best way to say it. Gee ha ntị. Listen to them. Okay, Jen. Oh, yeah, I live in city. I'm staying in Onitsha currently. That is Anambra State, Nigeria. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Ketia, gee ha ntị. Jane, where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from, Jane. Gee ha ntị. Listen to them. Then we are talking about anyị. Listen to us. Gee anyị ntị. Listen to us. Okay? Okay, okay. Kaon, you are watching from is that Pakistan? Sorry. But all the same, I get that. Good to have you. Good to have you, pal. Good to have you. Okay, Jen. Oh, you're watching from US. Oh, good to have you, Jen. Good to have you. Like I said, I live in Onitsha. That is Anambra, Nigeria. Okay. Yes, ha means they, them. Yes, ha. Give it to them. Nye ha. Give it to them. Nye ha. Give me. Nyem. Give me. Nyem. Give them. Nye ha. Okay. Anyị means us. Yes. We. Yes. Gi means you. Exactly. Yes. Yes. Yeah. O means she or him. Ọ bịara. Ọ bịara. Ọ bịara na be m. He came to my house. Ọ bịara na be m. Nye ha ngaji. Give them fork. Yes. Nye ha ngaji. Give them. That is it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, Ketia. Oh my. You are doing well. Nye ha ngaji. Give them fork. That is it. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. That's nice, Ketia. You are doing wonderfully well. You are doing well. You are doing well. I'm glad to hear this. You are doing well. You are doing well. So, Jen, are you still there? How well do you know Igbo language? Let me know. Is there any way you are finding it difficult in Igbo language? Still go ahead and let me know. Let's see a way to help. You are welcome, Ketia. You are welcome. You are welcome. So tell me where you are watching me from and go ahead to drop anything that you're finding difficult in Igbo language. I'm here for you. We'll be right back. Oh, Jen, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for telling me. Thank you, I appreciate that. You see? Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Ten. Okay, Soviet Union country. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. All right. If there's anything you find it difficult in Igbo language, do what to let me know, because I have limited time to stay here before I go to bed. It's 10 minutes past 12 midnight here in Nigeria. So 10 minutes past 12 midnight here in Nigeria. So I will be going to bed soon. Okay. Let me know if there is anything at all that you're finding difficult in Igbo language. Then okay, I told us that we are going to do the singing part of ABCD Igbo. So let's have it. Okay, we have A B C D E Figi Wi Gwi Hi I J K Pe Kwe Le Mene Nye O Pi Ri Si Shi Ti U O V Yeze. Okay, Tia. Okay. I think I'll be live tomorrow. Yeah, by God grace, tomorrow. Um, yeah, anytime from 11 p.m. in the night. Yeah, maybe 11:30 p.m. in the night. I'm supposed to come live. God's willing. Sure. Okay. So I said A B C D E Figi Wi Gwi Hi I E J K Pe Kwe Le Mene Ngoi, ngui, nye, o, pi, ri, si, di, u, o, ve, we, ye, ze. Okay, I would like us to look at let's create like 5 different words before I go to bed. 5 different words before I go to bed. Let's make 5 different words with Igbo alphabet. Okay, first of all, let's look at okay, let's do everything that concerns the face, the head, all the parts of the body that we have on our head. Okay, we have anya. Oh, ihu, that is it. Imi. Okay, Ketia, nti. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Nti. Eze, that's nice. Eze, okay. Okay, 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 okay. You can do more than this. So, Ketia, let me have it. You can do more than this. We have ihu, imi, nti, eze, olu. Olu, aka. Aka. That's nice. Afo. Good. Which other one? Which other one, Ketia? Okay, now we are doing all parts of the body. Mkpịsị aka, mkpịsị aka. Mkpịsị aka. Azụ, that is back. Azụ. Okay. I see. You are doing so wonderfully well. Okay. So far, Ketia made mention of ihu, imi, ntị, eze, olu, aka, afọ, mkpịsị aka, azụ. Thank you. Ana m ekwe ukwe ọfụma nke ọma. That's why ị na-ekwe ukwe nke ọma. Thank you, Jen. Jen, are you from Igbo? Let me know. Let me know if you are from Igbo. Are you from Nigeria? Mvo, that's good. Mvo Nell, Jen. That's nice. Nell. Mvo. Ị na-ekwe ukwe. Jen, I would like us to correct something here. Ị na-ekwe is supposed to be not ekwu. Ekwe is ekwe e. Ekwe. Then ukwi e. Ukwe. Yeah, but I got what you are trying to say there. Ire. Tongue. Ire. Ketia. Ire. Oh my. That's nice. Ntutu isi. Ntutu isi, head. Oh my. Head. Okay. Which one is that? No, you got the ntutu isi, you got the ire, you got the okay, the head. Yeah, head is isi, that is isi. You have ntutu isi, head. That is isi, okay? Ukwe Jen, that is it. Ukwe Jen, you got it now. That is it. Ukwe. Ukwe. Ị na-ekwe ukwe nke ọma. Ukwe, that is it, Jen. Yes, Ketia, isi, anya. Anya. That's nice. Oh, ihe ọ bụ anya. Anya. Ị na-eme nke ọma. Ketia, ị na-eme nke ọma. Ị na-agbalị rinne. O gosiri na ọnwa ịbụ na nwa ezigbote nwa ada Igbo. Ketia, ịbụ ezigbote nwa ada Igbo. Ị na-eme nke ọma, ị na-eme ọfụma. Jisie ike o. Okay, family members. Okay, let's have it. Let's do family members, Ketia. I'm waiting. Okay. Family members. Okay, Ketia, Let's go by 10. Let's go over 10. So if I'm doing it over 10, I will give you, as somebody that is eager to learn, okay, I will give you 7 over 10. You are doing wonderfully well. You are doing wonderfully well. I hope next time I come live, I'm going to rate you 8. Maybe from 8 to 9, from 9 to 10 over 10. Nne mother, that's nice. Nna father. Okay. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Nne mother, nna father, nwanne m nwoke, my brother. Cut, 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 cut. Nwanne m nwanyị, my sister. You are doing well. You're making me proud. Nwa baby, that is it. Nwa baby. I see. You are doing wonderfully well. Sorry, I gave you 7 before. Now it's 8. It's 8 over 10. It's 8 over 10. Nnam. Yeah. Okay, Nnadim. My husband's father, yes. Nnadim. Nnadim. The M will come after D. Nnadim. Nnadim. Okay, after D comes the N. M, I mean. You're welcome, Jen. You're welcome, Jen. You're welcome. Okay, Katie, I hope you got that. The M comes after the D. Nnadim. My husband's father. That's my father-in-law. Okay. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. Okay. I think that's all. Okay. Nnedim, yes. Nwunye. Nnedim, yeah. Nwunye, my wife. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Ada is first daughter. Okpara is first son. You are doing well. Papa Nnukwu. Jen, let me know what that means in English. Papa Nnukwu is what, Jen? Let me know. Jen, Papa Nnukwu is what? You got that right, but let me know what it means in English. Papa Nnukwu is what? Papa Nnukwu. Papa Nnukwu. Papa Nnukwu. Obere nwanyị m. My little sister. Obere nwanne m nwanyị. Obere nwanne m nwanyị. Obere nwanne m nwanyị. My little sister. Obere nwanne m nwanyị. My little sister. Yes, Jen, that is it, grandfather. That is it, Jen, grandfather. Yes, obere nwanne m nwanyị. That is it, Ketia, you got it. Obere nwanne m nwoke. That is it, my little brother. Oh my, this is beautiful. Obere nwa, my little baby. That is it. Oh my. Okay. Remember, Katie, I said it's no more 7 over 10. Now you have 8 over 10. You are doing great. Keep it up. You are doing great. You are doing great. Okay. I see. Daalụ daalụ nwanyị ọma, daalụ daalụ daalụ. Obi jupụtara m na aṅụrị na enwere m ike ime ka obi dị gị ụtọ na ụtụtụ tata n'ụwa. Daalụ rinne, daalụ rinne, daalụ rinne. Kedu maka nkịta? Oh, what about dog? Kedu maka nkịta? Nkịta is dog. Nwamba is cat. Oh my. Oh, okay. Nkịta dog. Okay. That's it. That's it. Nwamba cat. Okay. 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 So we are doing now we are looking into anụ ụlọ, right? Good. Nkịta, dog, nwamba, cat. Which other one? Yeah, ịzụta. Ketia, what you have there is izute. That is to meet. To meet, izute. But I know what you mean is ịzụta, to buy, right? Ịzụta, okay? Ịzụta, that is that where you have that E, it's supposed to be A. Where you have that A, it's supposed to be A. Ịzụta. Yeah, it means buy. It means buy. Iko, cup. Ego, money. Oh, Jen, you have a pet dog. What's the name? Let me know the name of your pet dog. What's the name? That's wonderful. What's the name? Jen, what's the name of your dog? Enwere nkịta. Enwere nkịta. The E. Enwere nkịta. Do you have dog? Enwere nkịta. The E is not supposed to be there. Remove the E. That is the E. That is enwe. Remove the E before the N. Enwere nkịta. Do you have dog? Okay. That's a question. Enwere nkịta. Do you have dog? Ketia, I'm talking to you. Enwere nkịta. Do you have dog? It's a question. Remove the E before the N. Yes. Enwere nkịta. Enwere nkịta. Do you have dog? Enwere nkịta. Oh, Harold. I hope I got that right. Aha ya bụ Harold. Harold or Harold. Okay, Harold. Ahịa market, yeah. Ụlọ ụka, church. Ụlọ ụka, church. Ahịa market. Jen, my regards to Harold, okay? Send my regards across to... that must be him, right? He's a he dog. Akpa, bag. Uwe, clothes. That is it. You are doing well. Uwe, clothes. Efere, plate. Exactly. Efere is plate. Mmiri, water. What gives me joy is how you make sure you get this spelling very well. Okay. Oh, Jen. Okay. I got that right from the name. Okay. mmanya, the spelling. Mmanya. The before the remove the a before the y. Remove the a before the ye. Remove the a before the ye. Remove the a before the y. That is mmanya. Aqua, bed. Ihu, face. Exactly. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ. Jen. the way you type this is so professional. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ. That is it. That is hotel. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ. Restaurant. Hotel. Mmanya, that is it, yeah. Ketia, you got it now. Mmanya. Mma, knife. Exactly. Mma, knife. Mma, knife. Ụlọ oriri na ọṅụṅụ. Oh my. Aṅụrị, smile. Aṅụrị, smile. Hello, good to have you. Let me know where you're watching from and join us. As you can see, this is a wonderful discussion class we have here. OG Black. Okay. Ogaranya. Ogaranya rich. Yeah, Ogaranya. That's a rich person. Ogaranya. Edo, yellow. Edo, yellow. Ocha, white. Exactly. Ocha, white. Ocha, white. Okay, it's already morning. I have to change this. Ụtụtụ ọma. It's morning here. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Aṅụrị, smile. Ka anyị bido, let's start. No, Kate, I don't have any problem. I love it. Ka anyị bido, let's start. Ihu na-achọ ọchị. Ihu na-atọ ọchị. Smile. Yeah, ọchị is smile. Ihu na-atọ ọchị, that is smiling face. Is that what you mean, Jen? Kwụsị, stop. Kwụsị, stop. Cheta, remember. Chetam, remember me. Chetam, remember me. Chetam na alaeze gị. Remember me in your kingdom. Chetam na alaeze gị. Remember me in your kingdom. That's nice. Ndụ, life. Ndụ, obi, heart. Okay, how do you say smile? Ọchị. Smile is ọchị. Chia ọchị, smile. Chiara m ọchị, smile for me. Smile for me, even though you're sad though. Kachifo, good night. Good night, Kachifo. Bịa n'ebe a. Come here. Okay, now the bịa n'ebe a, the ebe a supposed to be A-B-A. Now you give space, then A. Okay? Bịa n'ebe a. Bịa n'ebe a. Come here. You're welcome, Jen. You're welcome. You're welcome. Bịa n'ebe a. Bịa n'ebe ahụ. Is it gaa n'ebe ahụ? You can actually say this come over here is still bịa ebe a. Gafete ebe a. Gafete ebe a. Okay? Yeah, bịa ebe a. Yeah, sure. Bịa n'ebe a. It's supposed to be, like I said, it's supposed to be the comma at the top of the N is right. Then what's supposed to do is A B A. Then you give space and write the A. That is E B E space A, the A. Okay. Oche seat. Ọkụ hot, fire. Exactly. Oyi cold. You are doing well, Ketia. Bịa n'ebe ahụ. Is come over here is still bịa ebe a. Okay? Unless if you are directing that person, go over there. Gaa ebe ahụ. Bịa ebe a. Like I said, ebe, you first of all write E-B-A, then A. What you have here is E-B-A. 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 It's supposed to be E-B-E-A. Okay? Then before you write the A, give space. Okay? Bịa ebe a. Bịa ebe a. Bịa B-A-A. A-B-A-A. Bịa ebe a. Okay? Okay, Katie, correct that. Let me see. Oh, it's like we are coming to the end of the class. What I have to stay here is just 1 hour. Bịa n'ebe a. No, Ketia. No, that's not what I mean. A, that is E. What you wrote is E-B-A. Now I'm asking you to write E-B-A. Then space. Sorry. Now you are supposed to write E-B-E. Now you give space and write A. You first of all write the ebe in complete form. A, which is E in English. A, B, A. Then space. Then you write the A, which is A. Okay? Bia is B, A, A. Now you have the ne, recom, which is the comma at the top. Then you give space, write E, B, E, space again, A, which is A. Okay? Bịa n'ebe a, ebe a, ebe a, ebe a. I'm waiting. 1 hour is gone. I'll be going to bed now, but Katie, I would like you to do the correction before I go to bed. Please, Katie, I do the correction. Bịa n'ebe a. We are getting it right tonight. This morning, I mean. It's morning here already. Katie, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Bịa n'ebe a. Bịa n'ebe a. Bịa n'ebe a. Now, that is where you talk about. That's come over here. Bịa n'ebe a. Come over here. Now I got what you are trying to say before now. Bịa n'ebe a. Come over here. Bịa ebe a. Come here. Bịa n'ebe a. Come over here. Now I got what you are trying to say before now. But correct this, please. Bịa ebe a is come here. Bịa n'ebe a is come over here. No, Ketia. I said the... Okay, now let me pronounce what you wrote. That which you read there is Eba. Okay, Jen. Okay, Jen, help. Jen, help. Let's see. Jen, help. Let's see. What you have there, Ketia, is Eba. 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 You're welcome, Ketia. Let's see what Jen has to say. So it's supposed to be E-B-E space A. That is, you write the ebe incomplete from before you write the A. Ebe a, ebe a, ebe a, ebe a. No, there's not supposed to be space between the E and B. What's supposed to write is E, B, another E for the A, but you have to give space between the last E and the A. You are missing one E in the ebe. Okay? The biana is correct. Biana is correct. Now, where the mistake is E, B, E, then space A. Now, okay, look at what Jen have here. That is the correct way to write it. Okay, Katia, you did well. Katia did well. Katia, you did wonderfully well. You omit the E. You omit the E. That's just the thing there. Jen, you did wonderfully well. That is it. Bianeba. Okay. Now we come to the end of today's class. Anya we're going to isi njedebe. Daalụ nne maka isonyere m na this particular life. I appreciate every bit of it. Good to have you, and I'm looking forward to have you guys next time I come live here. And this is me saying, okay, I would like let me hear from you. Let me hear from you, Jen. Let me hear from you, Katia. Okay, this is goodbye from me. This is good morning here. It's good morning here. Let me know the time according to your location. Jen, let me know the time according to your location. Katia, let me know the time according to your location before we say good. Oh, Katia, I'm glad to hear that. I love Igbo too. Yeah, I'm in love with Igbo language too. Oh, Katia, it's 6:42 p.m. Oh my. And it's 12:42 a.m. in the midnight here in Nigeria. It's 12:42 a.m. Okay, Jen. Oh, really? You can dance to again and say, oh, how I wish you can drop a video here with us. Let's watch. Oh my goodness. Oh, really? I see. Okay, one of these days I will. Yes. Yeah, you have actually given me an idea now. One of these days I will make a video of that organic sound. Maybe I will be dancing to it, or maybe I will see a way to go about that. Oh, Jen, it's 7:43 p.m. in your location. Wow. Wow. Okay. So like I said, it's 12:43 a.m. here in Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. So this is me saying you have, okay, according to both of you, it's evening in your location. So do have a wonderful evening, and do have a wonderful evening. Okay. Enyama is your favorite organic song. Oh wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. Inyama or Apama? Which one is it? Okay. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Jen, dalo rinne o. Dalo imere nke ọma. Dalo. 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 Onye nke gị mekwalụ gị. O. Ihe ọma meelụ gị. Ihe ọma meelụ gị na-eke. Jen. Ihe ọma meelụ gị n'orie. Ihe ọma meelụ gị n'afọ. Ihe ọma meelụ gị na nkwọ. Ketia. Ihe ọma meelụ gị na-eke. Meelụ gị n'orie. Meelụ gị na nkwọ. Meelụ gị n'afọ. And this is me saying, do have a wonderful evening. Okay? Bye. It's time to retire now. By God's grace, I'll be coming live tomorrow. See you. Oh, today is today already, according to my time. So we'll be coming back later in evening today. Okay? Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.